So good morning all. Just wanted to give you a little introduction to the threaded discussion topic of the next 2 days. Towards the end of the film In Time, Will Salas and Sylvia Weiss have a brief little interchange, a little back and forth discussion while they're on the run from the timekeepers. And Will asks Sylvia, how do you live with yourself watching people die right next to you? Because Will has lived with all his life, in the ghetto part of Dayton, where people don't have much time when they're living minute to minute. If they're lucky, he even watched his mom die right in front of him towards the beginning of the film. Sylvia, who's been very, very time rich, I mean, her father has centuries on his arm, for crying out loud. She answers, "You don't watch. You close your eyes." So while this futuristic society doesn't actually exist, science fiction films and stories are meant to get us thinking about, the world we live in today. And so my discussion question for you is, even though we don't live in the world of In Time with Justin Timberlake and stuff, how does this back and forth, how does this idea apply to us today? How do we live with the idea of watching people die right next to us? And Sylvia says, you don't watch, you just close your eyes. So I want you to think about and discuss, how does this relate to our world today in 2020? So very interested to see what you have to say, what you have to think about, and looking forward to being a part of those discussions. Have a good one, y'all, and stay safe.